the right system. It has the right servers that allows you to install the website in 5 minutes. So use HostGator. I've used it for all my websites. They're really reliable. You can call them any time of the day, and they're going to answer their phones. And they will help you out. They will stay with you for hours until the problem is resolved. So, and I'm going to give you a link to their hosting as well. Next slide. So 5 easy steps how to install the WordPress blog. Okay, here we go. So you're going to log in after you register your domain name and got the hosting. You're going to log into your cPanel. Okay? This is not to be confused with the back end of the website, which you're going to be creating. This is your cPanel, which basically allows you to install the actual website. So it's yourdomainname.com/cPanel. Now it's not actually, I put your domain name in quotes because it's whatever it is that you actually chose as a domain name. Is that clear to everyone? Mm-hmm. I've had confusion about this in the past. That's why I ask. Okay, so the second step is you want to put in your username and password. So you have selected, it will ask you to put in a username and password. You're going to put in a username and password, and you're going to get into your cPanel. Third step, you're going to scroll to the bottom of the page until you hit an icon called Fantastico. Once you do that, click on that icon. Fourth step, click on WordPress on the left-hand side and then click New Installation. Then go back to your actual domain name, and once you do that, you'll see, if it worked, you'll see a default template. And I'm going to show you how to change the templates as well. And they're all free. There's tons of templates out there and they're all free.
Are you going to send us this?
Yes, I'm going to send everything. So here's some screenshots. So your cPanel, this is how your cPanel looks like. Next slide. This is where Fantastico Deluxe is. It's at the bottom. It has a little smiley face. All you have to do is click on that smiley face, and then it will take you to WordPress installation. Then click WordPress, New Installation. You're done. That's it. That's how easy it is. No CSS, no HTML, no FTP, not yet. Just basic. You'll have a website ready. Okay. So now I want to talk a little bit about how we're going to monetize the website. What are we going to get out of it? How are we going to make the money from these websites? So I've listed 5 ways how to actually make money through the WordPress website. So the first one is called Google AdSense. Who knows Google AdSense? Anyone?
I guess a better question is, do you know of it? I know of it, I don't know how to
Use it.
take advantage of it.
Okay. So Google AdSense is a program that Google runs that allows you to become affiliates of basically their ad network. So what happens is, as a website owner, you get to put in ads on your website. This is exactly what you're going to be doing. You're going to put in the ads on your website. Well, actually, since we're actually going to work together on this, because I have an account, and to open an account, you need a website that's been running for at least a year. To join the program, I'm going to give you I'm going to install the ads for you. So we're going to be working together on this. And then I'm going to teach you how to do it yourself afterwards. Then you're going to install on your website, you're going to put in affiliate programs. So some of the best affiliate programs that you guys want to look for is in ClickBank. Go to clickbank.com, and you can find all the affiliate programs that you're going to need. Now you're going to, yes?
I have a dumb question. What's an affiliate?
Okay, an affiliate program, it's actually a very good question. An affiliate program is basically selling another person's product and making a commission off it. So you're going to put in links, affiliate links on your website about your niche. You're going to pick a niche. You're going to pick something that you're interested in, something that inspires you, something that you're going to want to be involved in. And you're going to put in links, and there's going to be also widgets, Amazon affiliate widgets, where you're going to be selling books, and in particular to your niche, and you're going to make money.
What's a widget?
A widget is like a little image of an Amazon. It's an image. It's going to be a little image of an Amazon book on the side of your website, in the margins, where you're going to be selling those books, and you're going to make commissions off the affiliates. Another thing that I've learned is the text link ads. So in your website, when you're going to write in content, you're going to highlight some of the words, and you're going to put in text link ads. Every time someone clicks on those ads, you make some money. Same thing with the Google ads. Every time someone clicks on the ads, you make money. That's how there works. Now, don't be afraid for Google, because someone else is paying Google to be on your website. So when someone clicks the ads on your website, Google is being paid as well. Being paid about 25% more than what you're going to be being paid. So the fourth step is to create an opt-in form and creating a marketing list. So once you figure out your niche, you figure out your website, you're going to create a little opt-in form and you're going to start generating leads. It's called a marketing list. And then you could sell that list to someone else. Another step. Now, probably the easiest and fastest way to make money online is to simply build these websites and then sell them. And there's a service, it's called flippa.com. And basically a website that just launched, I just checked it yesterday, it launched about 2 weeks ago, no traffic, no ad revenue, sold for $170.
Who bought it?
Someone bought it. Someone just said, okay, this is a great idea. I like this idea. I'm gonna buy this website. And there's a lot of them. You can check it out. It's at flippa.com. But here's the thing: with the social media system, you build it, you put in the Google AdSense, you put in the ClickBank, you put in the text link, you put in an opt-in form. Well, your website's not worth $170. It's worth close to $500 now, especially if you get a little bit of traffic to your site. I'm guessing the turnaround, you could probably launch a site and then 2 months later sell it for $500.
How much of that price do you think reflects the value of the site versus just the value of having a proven domain and selling the domain that's generating some traffic?
So you're not selling the domain, you're selling the site.
Okay.
You're selling the whole site.
So you keep ownership of the domain?
Or
you sell the domain?
You sell the domain as well.
Yeah, so my question is, like, so, say somebody gives you $500.
Sure.
Is $300 of that really for the domain, and then really only $200 is the value that you added by doing all these other things? What do you think?
I think it's a combination of both. I mean, it all depends on you, right? It depends how much traffic you get, how much money you're making from the ads. It depends if you want to keep it. The longer you keep it, the more you can sell it for later as well. Does that answer your question?
Kind of. I mean, it's a question. I mean,
And in this, where are you gonna be making money in this? In which step?
Me?
Yeah.
So I'm going to help you put in the ads, put in the affiliate programs, because I have everything ready. So we become, and we're all, by the way, we're all going to be helping each other. So we're all going to be cross-promoting each other's things. So instead of actually us going out, we're going to be helping each other and cross-promoting on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, everything like that. And we're all going to be raising the level of all the websites together.
So that's the only thing that you would be having in this, just to be able to link with all of us?
Xander's looking for the experience and really the network. He's looking to kind of like learn and kind of expand his business. And the whole idea is that he's creating this whole social network site so we can elevate all our sites together, so we all benefit. We lift all boats. Is the whole idea.
Does that make sense?
The more people involved, the larger our net is the whole idea.
So we're all going to be connected.
Exactly. That's the whole
We're all going to be a team, and we're all going to use the social networking, which is basically word of mouth, viral, and we're all going to be promoting each other's things.
That's why the system is effective, because it's not reliant upon just you, it's reliant upon everyone else. Volume.
Okay.
Exactly, volume.
Now, granted, you're going to have to put great content on your website, something interesting that people are going to want to look at and want to experience as well.
Which we can talk about that too.
Yeah, absolutely. So before I go to go back. So does anyone have a question on any of this? Does this make sense?
I'm sure it will once we get. Well, let me speak for myself. I
Go
can
ahead.
speak for everyone. I'm a very hands-on type person, so I actually have to go through all of those steps in order for it to actually crystallize.
Okay.
So I have to be sitting in front of the computer. I have to look at the videos and all the links that you send me,
Mhm.
and I have to be going step by step by step.